अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चॉइस न्यूज़ खुसूसी रिपोर्ट में आपका खैर मकदम है। आप हैं एडिटर इन चीफ चॉइस न्यूज़ मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर के साथ। पेश खिदमत है ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
Mr. Seen Siddiqui, I request all the students to give a big round of applause. Is an education leader with a plethora of achievements. She is an assistant director at SIMP LED International, the managing director of Mansha Educational Society, the advisor at Finland Education Academy. Challenge was 2020 and 2021. A published author. We are so thrilled to have Mr. Zeen Siddiqui today.
परफॉर्मेंस कुछ भी ना परफॉर्मेंस होती है
University and a distinguished faculty member. हम चलेंगे साथ कामयाब. I was really very happy when I entered and I saw these beautiful smiles here, passionate to achieve what they want to achieve. So just few Urdu couplet for you. हवाओं से कह दो जहाँ चाहे चले, हवाओं से कह दो जहाँ चाहे चले, हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ाते. And I'm sure the passion and the energy that each one of you have in your hearts will make you not just successful, but extremely satisfied in life in achieving what you want to achieve. Work hard, stay focused, and sky is the limit. So all the best to each one of you. Study hard, rise with excellence. I want to see you in the list of the global achievers. And I wish to see this institute rising with excellence. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Azizur Rahman Khan to please come here to say few words.
I'm very happy to be associated with you.
Much of your time as I'm seeing those students are standing too hot. Thank you very much, ma'am, Greenwich Academy principal and the management for inviting us and giving an opportunity to share our what we are doing actually. Telangana Science Fair Academy is a volunteer non-profit organization which is working under Dr. Qazi Siraj Azhar, is the chief patron, and also there are many doctors, engineers, professors from all national and international, I must say, associated with us. And we promote science fairs where the students do scientific research from class 4th onwards till the graduates and all. And we conducted every year inter-school competitions for regional and state level students. So you remember me. So and the school also participated in our competition, regional science fair. This year also I am expecting many students participate, showcase their talents, innovative and creative research fairs. It's a privilege to stand here on behalf of Greenwich Academy and honored to be a part of students' activity presenting Education Fair for 2024 and 25. I'm thankful for today's chief guest, Ms. Tazeen Siddiqui, Mr. Azizur Rahman sir, those who has little helping you today, still he valued because it's a point of students' hard work. Sir is one of the foundation for Urdu community and a strong pillar for a young youth. I knew Sir from last 20 years, could not meet him on and off because to meet Sir, we would have to take 15 days prior appointment. So I'm really thankful that I could call him to our school. And as I said you, though carrying his health issue, but his purpose of life is always encouraging students. And when the word student comes, Sir doesn't compromise. So I love that spirit. I admire Sir. Count as one of the admirable person in my list of life where I have learned personally when I was doing my graduation. So I went on behalf of the girls unit to discuss and argue about NCC to Sir to make it yes in Anwarul College. So I would now Sir recall to me because I was the mentor there representing 7A Outer Battalion behalf of girls unit Secunderabad was trying to please Sir to give an entry for girls in Anwarul. So I remember Ms. Latina Khan, madam, she was one of the big support for me where we had done a lot of work, and now even the unit is running. Alhamdulillah. So, for my children, I can only have two lines because it's a time from last 8 days. You were giving your energy, thoughts, thought processing was high on peak. Teachers were motivating, parents were helping you out on and off. साहिल को सुकून से किसे इनकार है, लेकिन साहिल के सुकून से किसे इनकार है, लेकिन तूफान से लड़ने में मजा ही कुछ और है. So, I believe in fight. I believe in strong identity of a student. I believe in your spirit. I believe in dreams. I believe in achievements. So all the best for you all, my dear children. Very shortly after felicitation, I request all the students to please be in your locations with your mentors so that we visit each of the your project and we learn from you. Today, we will learn from you. At the moment.
Students, give them a big round of applause.
Okay.
Thank you. To visit you all. Are you ready? Yeah. Appreciate to the parents.
My name is Jayathamal. I am the leader of your class. Today I am here to teach a night on nature and animals. Oh, wonderful nature! I wonder how you're so beautiful with leaves and birds beach. The glass is so green and the thing is so clean. With wandering butterflies make my thoughts fly. The water is so cool, just like a swimming pool. I love you. Pet animals are our friends, loyal and true. They live with us and we take care of them too. Like dog, cat.
Vice Principal.
Assalamualaikum. Yes, I'm here today to attend the exhibition. My kids are studying here. I have 3 kids studying here. Both are in 10th, 12th, and one daughter is in 7th class. So as far as the management and staff is concerned of the Greenwich, it's very good. They are very good in what I say. What I think is they have provided very good education till now. But my kids are studying from the last 10 years, and they have the school sees to it that they develop the confidence. They attend to all these exhibitions and whatever the extracurricular activities. Not only apart from the studies, even the extracurricular activities also they concentrate on that. So my kids have developed a lot of confidence, and even education-wise, they have progressed very well. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chanakya. So today I visited this Greenwich Academy, the science fair in this school. So I felt very happy. The students, the way presented, the teachers, the way they prepared the models and all. I really liked. The models were very informative, and the students are exactly like they told very like extraordinary work. Thank you so much.
And explain everything.
I saw his painting.
To create a pond life and speak about it. A pond is a body of standing water. A pond is surrounded by different small rocks.
अच्छा रहा। मैं डॉक्टर अजीज़ुर रहमान खान, प्रेसिडेंट तेलंगाना साइंस फेयर एकेडमी से आज ग्रीनविच एकेडमी को आया था स्कूल को। और ये जो हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है तेलंगाना साइंस फेयर एकेडमी, ये क्या है कि हम बच्चों में साइंटिफिक रुझान बढ़ाते हैं, साइंटिफिक टेम्परमेंट। स्कूल लेवल से, स्कूल 4th क्लास से 10th इंटरमीडिएट डिग्री के बच्चे भी इसमें इंक्लूडेड है, शामिल है। तो इसका मेन मकसद क्या है, क्योंकि हमारा हिंदुस्तान में नोबेल लॉरेट्स नहीं है। इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद सर CV रमन थे, उनके बाद कोई भी नोबेल लॉरेट नहीं है। तो इसीलिए हमारे जो चीफ मेंटर है जो अमेरिका में है, डॉक्टर ख्वाजा सिराज अजहर साहब, 32 ईयर्स से जो है इंडिया आते हैं। 32 ईयर्स क्यों? साइंटिफिक टेम्परमेंट प्रमोट करने के लिए, बच्चों में साइंटिफिक रुझान बढ़ाने के लिए आते हैं। पूरे एंटायर इंडिया में घूमते हैं वो, एक जगह नहीं, तकरीबन स्टेट्स में। और तकरीबन जगह जो है साइंस फेयर एकेडमी बना चुके हैं वो। तो बहरहाल हमारा मेन मिशन क्या है कि इंडिया में, हमारे देश में साइंटिफिक यानी नोबेल लॉरेट्स को क्रिएट करना है।
Thank you.
तो इसी तहत हम आज हमारे स्कूल को आए हैं, ग्रीनविच स्कूल को, ग्रीनविच एकेडमी को आए हैं, जिसके प्रिंसिपल अजहरा सुल्ताना मैडम है। माशाल्लाह बहुत ही एक्टिव है, और यहाँ के बच्चे देखो इतना काम करते हैं, क्योंकि सिंपल चीज़ को यानी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ को सिंपल वर्ड्स में बताए ये लोग। आज के साइंस का एजुकेशन फेयर जो रहा उसमें बड़ा अच्छा ही बनाए हैं, बड़े क्रिएटिव चीज़ हमने देखा उनको, और उनको थोड़ा प्रमोट भी करे साइंटिफिक फेयर के बारे में हम लोग। तो बहरहाल मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ हमारे यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल और हमारे टीचर्स यहाँ के, क्योंकि टीचर का रोल बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। टीचर नेशन बिल्डिंग करता है, तो टीचर का बहुत रोल है। टीचर रहने से ही हम लोग हैं, बगैर टीचर के हम नहीं हैं, स्टूडेंट भी नहीं हैं। बहरहाल बहुत अच्छा लगा, बच्चे बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट बताए।
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, एंड बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अजहरा सुल्ताना मैम का फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी। मैं बेहद खुश हूँ, क्योंकि ये जब आप बच्चों में क्रिएटिविटी देखते हैं, बच्चों में एक इनोवेशन का जज्बा देखते हैं, यही कामयाबी होती है एक अच्छी लीडर की और टीम की। तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ आके कि दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फेयर्स आई विटनेस्ड एंड ग्रेट वर्क बाय स्टूडेंट्स। मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ रजिया मैम का कि जो उन्होंने इतना अमेजिंग पूरा फेयर पुट अप किया एंड ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. I am Azra Sultana, principal of Greenwich Academy School, which is located in Chandranguda, Badlaguda side, just opposite to ISL Engineering College. MashaAllah, today's program was educational fair. Alhamdulillah, it took me 4 hours for us to cover all the departments. We have worked on every subject, and students' outcome has come so marvelous way. And I must appreciate my school staff, those who have worked from last 8 days. Thank you for parent support who has encouraged students. And of course, I shouldn't miss here saying that my students had done wonderful today. Their confidence, their energy and the creativity in very, complicated projects they brought in as simple steps. I'm so happy for it. I should not miss saying the chief guest, Mr. Azizur Rahman, who has given time for us today, and Mrs. Tazeen Siddiqui, who was as a guest of honor for us. I'm thankful for their time. They accompanied me for 4 hours helplessly, without any break. Alhamdulillah, I must appreciate Sir's age and his motivation and encouragement towards science and uplifting for Hyderabadis and students. And I was also an ex-student for Sir from the NCC department. I, was in touch with Sir from last 20 years when he was, a counselor and a director for an institution. I'm really thankful for all to make this program a success, and we are blessed. I am blessed being a part of this school. Thank you so much.